What do you want out of life? Hi, my name is Nathan. All I want in life is to be able to have a good vacation, to have a good breeze of the seashore, to enjoy those moments together with my wife and my kids. Or maybe to go out boating, to catch some fish that would be enjoyable. Or maybe go out for a picnic near the beach and enjoy my favorite meal. This is my simple wish. This is what I want. This is what I like. Yes, I really love my family, and I want to enjoy life together with them. They make me happy. They make me stronger. That is why I want to work harder and be stronger to provide the things that they need, to be able to provide the foods, good food for them that they can enjoy daily, and maybe to provide a good car so that we can travel anytime they want, and build a big house to provide a good shelter and a place to sleep. I will work harder to make more money so I can give anything they want. So it was year 2008 that I decided to make a move. During that time, there were less opportunities for me as electronics engineer in our country. That is why it was year 2008 that I decided to go abroad to look for better pasture opportunities where I can find more bucks to make more money. And that will take me around 5 years to be away from my family. And I think that was a good idea then. Or was it? And so, all goes according to plan. I work abroad and work in another country where I became an alien. Well, it was the hardest years of my life. 5 years of being away from my family. It was days of loneliness where I always miss my family a lot. And I count every seconds, every ticking of the clock. I live a lonely life. And I feel like every seconds, every hours is very slow. And I count days and nights, every day that is passing by. Well, I was able to bring them money, but I am not happy. This is not the life I want. I want it erased. I want it out. I don't want to remember it. I think it was just a waste of time. All I need is a time with my wife, my kid, with my family, a time to play with them, a time to enjoy the nature with them, to enjoy God's creation in the beach, in the seashore, smelling the fresh air. That is the simple life that I want. And I think I am missing a lot of time. This is what I want, a time with my family. And I just realized that I have all those time with me back then. And I want that time to come back. And I just realized then that the most expensive thing in our life is time. And so I say, it's about time to redeem the time.